This example says sketch the graph of the following function and identify all the properties that apply. This function is f of x equals absolute value x. So I'm going to use a table. I'm going to choose my standard set of points, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Substitute these values into the function. So I would have absolute value of -2 is +2, absolute value of -1 is +1, absolute value of 0 is 0, absolute value of 1 is 1, and absolute value of 2 is 2. So I'm going to plot my set of ordered pairs that I've just obtained. -2, +2, -1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 2. And that gives me this V-shaped graph, which is answer choice B. Now let's go through each one of these statements one by one. First one says the domain of f is -infinity to infinity. And that is true. Looking at the graph, you can see that we have x values that cover from -infinity all the way to +infinity. So we have pieces of the graph that cover all the way from -infinity to infinity. So I would select that property. The next one says the function is increasing on the interval from -infinity to infinity. Looking at my picture, I can see that on this left-hand side, if I'm going from left to right, my y values are decreasing. So I have decreasing on part and increasing on the other part. This statement says that it is increasing from -infinity to infinity, which is the whole graph. So I would not select that property. The next one says the function f is a linear function. A linear function would be the graph of a straight line. So because I have a V-shaped graph, I'm not going to select that property. The next one says the range of f is -infinity to infinity. And looking at this picture, I have y values that are only positive. I don't have any negative y values. There's no piece of the graph down here. So I'm not going to select that property that says the range is from -infinity to infinity. The next statement says the function is an odd function. Odd functions are going to have origin symmetry. So you're looking in opposite quadrants. I'm looking in the upper right and the lower left, and I do not have a mirror image. So this is not an odd function. The next property says the function f is an even function. An even function is when you have y-axis symmetry. So we're looking for a mirror image over the y-axis, and we do have a mirror image over the y-axis. So we're going to select that this is an even function. The last statement says none of the above properties apply. Since I've selected a few, I'm not going to select that one.